CBIT, Capacity Building Industrial Training for Pharmacy Teachers. Pharmacy Council of India and Indian Pharmaceutical Association has decided to start this scheme of capability building for teachers from approved institutes to be nominated in reputed pharmaceutical companies for a period of 1 month. The objectives of this training program is to support the pharmacy teachers in updating their skills and knowledge in the latest advances that have taken place in pharma sector, particularly in pharmaceutical industry. To provide an opportunity to the pharmacy teachers to undergo experimental immersion in industrial settings to be able to comprehend the gap between the theory and practice. To provide exposure to the pharmacy teachers to the actual working environment in an industrial setting to build necessary soft skills in the students being trained under them. To understand the new technologies and systems that are adopted in the pharmaceutical industry. To strengthen the industry institute collaboration by engaging and developing links with the industry. Finally, to assist the teachers to evaluate and understand how the work experience relates to their career and future professional development. The expected outcome of CBIT would be enrichment of curriculum to meet the industrial expectations and needs, to enhance teachers' familiarity with the working of pharmaceutical industry and enable them to apply the same in academic settings, consolidate, complement and extend the capacity building program and enable the integration of professional practice in academic settings. Introduce the best practices learned during the program at the department and institutional level. Structured planning and implementation of industry projects or internships for students. Establishment of industry linkages and enhanced involvement of industry experts in the academic and research activities of the institution. Eligibility criteria for the institutes. The institute which intends to nominate its teachers should be approved under Section 12 of the Pharmacy Act 1948 for pharmacy courses B.Pharm and M.Pharm continuously for the last 10 years or more. The institution should be NAC or NBA accredited. Preference will be given to the government universities, institutes, state government funded institutes, departments, NAC or NBA approved institutes. PCI will accept maximum one nomination from each institute. Eligibility criteria for the candidate, that is the teacher. The teacher candidate should be minimum M.Pharm with graduation in pharmacy. Should have 10 years post-qualification, that is after M.Pharm, full-time teaching experience in an institution approved by Pharmacy Council of India under Section 12 of the Pharmacy Act 1948. Should have been working in the nominating institute for minimum of 3 years. He or she should be registered in the faculty portal of Pharmacy Council of India. The specialities covered under the scheme. The teachers from following M.Pharm specialities as prescribed under Appendix A of the Master of Pharmacy M.Pharm Course Regulation 2014 will be covered under the scheme. The departments are Pharmaceutics, Pharmaceutical Technology, Industrial Pharmacy, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance, Pharmaceutical Analysis, Pharmacology, Regulatory Affairs, Pharmacognosy, under special circumstances if there is a requirement from a herbal pharma company. Formation of screening committee. The Pharmacy Council of India will constitute a screening committee which will screen the applications as per the prescribed requirements under the scheme for placing before the selection committee. The selection committee consists of chairman, who is the president of Pharmacy Council of India, and the members, 5 members, vice president of Pharmacy Council of India, and 2 central council members who are engaged in teaching, university or administration or in drug regulatory department, and other 2 members nominated by partner organization, that is IPA, Indian Pharmaceutical Association. The decision of the selection committee regarding approval of an application for the scheme shall be final and binding. The duration of training. The training in an industry will be of 1 month duration, 6 days per week and 8 hours per day. Funding. The funding from Pharmacy Council of India will have a ceiling limit of rupees 50,000 per trainer teacher, which will cover to and fro transport, lodging, boarding, and some out-of-pocket expenses of the trainee teacher. The company and collaborating association having MOU with PCI will issue a certificate to the trainee faculty on successful completion of the training. The assessment of the industry guide will be used as eligibility criteria for issue of such certificate. For further details, visit the website www.pci.nic.in. Opportunity is never lost. It simply moves on to someone else. We request the eligible institutes and teachers to avail this opportunity. Feel free to write to us at pharmainsights2020@gmail.com regarding suggestion of a topic or recommend a teacher for Teacher Beyond Teaching series or improvement of the channel.